Hi, welcome to all the viewers who are watching me. As I have discussed in all my previous videos regarding some of the facts regarding the mathematics, it seems too boring when we keep on solving the mathematics question. But just for a fun, today I am here just to tell you some very 10 interesting facts about mathematics. The first very important and very interesting fact. Let us understand it and highlight it also. The first interesting fact here is that we follow the decimal number system which has 10 digits, that is from 0 to 9. It is also known as, remember, it is also known as Hindu Arabic numeral system. And remember, my dear students, it was discovered more than 1000 years ago. So, oldest mathematical numbers were discovered 1000 years ago. That was the first very interesting fact. Fact number 2. I am sure everyone knows the one symbolic representation as pi. Remember, pi is also known as the ratio between the two things, that is, the ratio of the circumference to the diameter of a circle. That brings us the value of pi. It is a special, remember, it is a special number which is irrational number, that is, that cannot be represented in the form of an p upon q. There is a designated day, remember, there's a one day which is also called as an pi day, and it is always celebrated every year on March 14. So that was an interesting fact, you might have known it today. Third interesting fact, and very interesting too, teenagers, when they are messaging or texting in Thailand, I'm talking about in Thailand, sometimes they send the digits 555. You know what is that? To indicate that something is funny. So these three numbers 555 represents what? In Thai language, because Thailand uses Thai language, the 5 is pronounced as ha. So when we write 555, that is being translated to ha ha ha. So here is a very funny mathematical thing. Next fact is the fact number 4. You know the number 9 is also known as a magic number. How is it so? This is because if you multiply a number by 9, remember, if you multiply the number 9 and then add all the digits of the new number together, remember, the sum is always going to add up to 9. For an example, if we take 8 multiplied by 9, you will get the result as 72, and when you add the 7 and 2, you will get the sum as 9. Similarly, if we do 9 into 9, that becomes how much? 9 9s are 81, and when you add 8 and 1, you will get the number 9. Isn't it interesting? Fifth one, very often, that is sometimes, the number 1, we always get confused as a prime number. But remember, when we divide 1 by 1, what you are getting? You will get nothing. You will get again 1. So what it is? So nothing has been divided. 1 divided by 1 gives us 1. That shows nothing is being divided. Very interesting fact number 6. The number 4, everyone knows about the number 4, as I have discussed in my previous interesting videos. The number 4 is viewed as a superstition and destruct so much in which area? East Asia, because it is known as tetraphobia. Tetra represent 4. This is because of the word four. The word four sounds exactly similar to that the number in Asian languages. That's why they use that as an in East Asia they used as a superstition, and it distracts the person, and hence it is called as a tetraphobia. Tetra means four. The seventh fact, if you walk up, very interesting, just please mark it as a very interesting fact. Very interesting fact. If you walk up to the street and ask anyone, when you ask someone about their favorite number, remember, if you ask their favorite number, it is 100% sure that at least there is a 10% chance that they will say the number 7. Very interesting. So this has been displayed also several times, examined, and then the fact came. That means 10% persons is going to say the number 7 their favorite number. So hence it is in the fact number 7. Now let us move towards the fact number 8. You know that every time we say that the number 13 is an unlucky number. But in Alex Bellows research, this one person, Alex Bellows, the researchers do the research, it turned out the most popular 2-digit number is 13 only. It is not at all nowadays unlucky number. It is the most popular 2-digit number. With the researches we find this thing. Next, the second last fact, my students. Gogol, G-O-O-G-O-L. Gogol means 1 followed by 100 zeros. That represents Gogol. A Gogoloplex. A Gogoloplex is 1 followed by a Gogol. Zeros. Wow, it's an interesting one. We never know about that. So it is hard to imagine. Remember how you can imagine that 100 zeros. So it is easy that we can pronounce as Gogol. How long this number would be? That means that Gogoloplex, how long it can be? A very long number. We cannot even count it properly. Last not the least, my dear students, Denver is known. Denver is a 1 mile high city. It is mile high city. Why is it so? Because an elevation of precisely, remember, elevation of precisely is among 5,280 feet. You know what is that? That is the length of a mile. So that city is having that much elevation. So these are the some very interesting facts I have presented in front of you. Hope you all have liked it. So in this way only I am going to represent some interesting facts just to make your mathematics very interesting. Kindly note down these interesting facts somewhere near to you. Thank you very much. God bless you.